Hey, look what I got. It's an iPhone 7, and it's seen many, many better days. Which way do I want to turn it off? Neither, apparently. Let's turn that screen off so it doesn't call 911. You can see that the LCD has been damaged on this phone. The LCD is no longer functioning. The LCD only makes cool colors when you push on it. That is the only function of LCD right now. Cool. I like the cool colors. Looks very pretty. Well, the phone attempted to call Mom, despite being disabled. Incredible. Alright, let's take this thing apart before it does any more damage to itself. That is unsettling. Dancing logo on there. Yes, I know that you're disabled. Please lock your screen and do not turn on. This screen has been replaced by us a few times for this customer. The customer does not get a case. Well, they do get a case, but it doesn't do much for them. Oh boy. Okay. Make sure our screen is still off. Let's grab our tri-wing screwdriver, which I have lost. Well, that screw is permanently trapped in there, and the phone is calling or receiving calls nonstop. That is not going to help us here. We're going to need to get that screw out of our way. Let's go drill it off. Alright, now that shield has been drilled out. Hopefully, there was no damage to the board. Let's go ahead and reset this iPhone real quick. We'll do a quick reboot. Pop that battery in the process. Okay, screen. Those guys unplugged. We're missing a screw up here at the top. He said that we had repaired it before, but we're a lot better than that. We always put back the screws because we have no use for extra screws. Unless the screw is stripped, it's going back in there. We're not losing stuff. Alright, we'll get that out of the way. Let's see about repairing this one. Hopefully, not all the tri-wings are stripped out. Though it appears a couple may be. My hand is shaking so much today. I don't know what's going on, everybody. Maybe it's just nerves. I'm getting married in less than 2 weeks now. And I've still got a good bit of wedding planning left to do. Get that out of the way. Looks like whoever replaced this screen did replace all the screws there at least. You know, 1 or 2 missing screws isn't the biggest of deals, but if you want to show your quality work, if you want to have quality repairs, then you want to put everything back in that you took out. That's just laziness if you don't. Okay. Home button secured, going to the heat gun. Alright, proxy and home have been removed. Let's go ahead and grab our new screen, which, why didn't I grab it yet? Okay, stupid moment averted. Take that off, make sure our flex is up high enough. You know the drill. You've seen enough of these iPhone 7s get repaired now that you know what's going to happen with those flexes. It's going to make that pressure point on the LCD when you set it down if it's not moved up high enough. Nobody likes the pressure point on the LCD. Looks weird. Pretty colors. Clip our home button in. He's fighting just a little bit. He doesn't want to go into that flex. There he goes. Happy little home button. Beautiful. Let's plug this bracket on the top. Place those tri-wings that were down there. Plug in our proxy, ambient light sensor and everything right in their happy little homes. I think I might have just found that missing screw from the board stuck to the ear speaker. It's because the ear speaker is a giant magnet next to non-magnetic screws. How does that make sense, you ask? Refer to one of my older videos, or let me spoil it for you. It does not make any sense. There's no reason. Remember, they do like to mix up the screws, so we have Phillips heads all up the top here, with tri-wings down the bottom and along the shielding of the LCD. This giant metal panel right there does have some tri-wings holding it in on the sides, 6 of them to be specific on this one, 5 of them if you're on the plus. All set there. Plug our proxy back in. You know what's funny? You guys remember a little while ago my video about the iPhone 7 Plus that the customer provided the parts for the repair? She just came in and picked it up. And if you remember, that was the one that we found all kinds of mismatched screws. It was missing shields. It was a mess inside. She was completely flabbergasted when I told her that it looked like whoever tried to do the repair before messed something up. Oh, in addition, her replacement screen that she bought was not working at all. the LCD lit up, but no touch response at all. So that's cool. She asked me to fix it. I'll see if I can put a new screen on it, but unfortunately I've got some other priorities ahead of her at the moment. But we'll work her in still. We'll figure out why her screen doesn't respond to touch. She did ask if we could just fix it, why we couldn't just fix the part. And if you're watching this video, you can see that this is the part. There's not really anything to fix. I can't unrip ripped flexes if there are any. I can't re-solder or however you would even assemble a digitizer. I can't manifest or create flex cables out of thin air. It doesn't make any sense. I can replace, but there are some things that are not repairs. They are simply replaces. If I wanted to dive in and learn how to replace just the screen, I guess, I mean, that could be a possibility. I don't see it paying off for anybody. Even as a learning experience, I don't see that as really beneficial. Oh, that's right. We switched to Phillips heads up here at the top. Let's power our phone on. We have boot. Is that a dead spot in the... Okay. Great. Line up this top bit, the phone's going to start boot looping on us. That's absolutely normal for the first one. See, now our phone is disabled. It's not disabled to connect to iTunes, it's just disabled for an hour, thanks to resetting and pulling the battery simultaneously. This phone has been repaired. The customer will be able to enjoy it here in about an hour. And yeah. Thanks for joining me so much, everyone. I'll see you in the next video.